Hello, I'm Dr. Jerry Mixon from Longevity Medical Clinic, and this little video is on mitochondrial dysfunction. Now, the mitochondria are little organelles that are present in every cell in your body. They actually take things like sugar, glucose, and turn it into energy. They make the chemical energy drivers, the high energy bonds that your body uses to stay alive. So they are the energy, the powerhouses of every cell in your body. Now, as we age, those mitochondria get old. In every generation of cells, the mitochondria tend to decline a little bit in effectiveness. So we finally, at some point, reach a point that we have defined it as mitochondrial dysfunction. That is, they are no longer functioning well. And part of this is because the mitochondria, like every other cell in your body, become less and less capable of replacing themselves as new cells are produced. We call this mitophagy. Okay? Autophagy is the process in which the whole cell reaches the end of its lifespan, dies, and gets replaced by a new cell. Well, mitophagy is the same thing, except it's the mitochondria within the cells that are supposed to turn over and get replaced and get rejuvenated over time. And as we age, we become less and less capable of doing that. And this is due to several things. One is NAD, which is a chemical complex that allows high energy bonds to be produced, and NAD is depleted with age. The older you get, the less NAD you make. Now, we can give you precursors to NAD like NMN, which will allow your body to produce more NAD, and that in turn will goose those mitochondria a bit and help them to function better. The other things we're going to need is coenzyme Q10, and once more, coenzyme Q10 is one of those compounds that we make less and less of as we age, and so having CoQ10 supplementation is very, very important. And then, of course, there's the mitochondrial DNA degradation, and we're measuring how badly your DNA is damaged in all of our patients. We do a DNA methylation test that gives us a good approximation of your metabolic age as opposed to your chronologic age. There are people that are 60 going on 75, and there are people 60 going on 40 or 45. Those are the extremes in both directions. And that's what we want to do. We want to measure how well you're functioning, and then we're going to do everything we can to get every part of your body functioning as good as we can possibly help you to do. So, this is Dr. Jerry Mixon. I hope you've enjoyed this little peek into mitochondrial dysfunction. If you really want to know more, you need to contact the doctors at Longevity Medical Clinic. Come on in, let us evaluate you. Remember, we can't make you younger, but we can help you be stronger, faster, leaner, smarter, sexier, and happier, and that's good enough for most people. I'll see you in the next video, which is on excessive stress.